How shall we doing it?
Yep, go.
Oh my god.
That video I want to see. That one I want to see. Oh my god. That was excellent.
Oh
Hey, I think I
no.
can push it back in.
Yeah, I
You,
think he flipped back in, man. He flipped back in.
you should be able to push that one out.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's still half out of the water. Give it a go.
I can only open it and mount it. I can't. Probably need the tank or something to do it.
Yeah,
Not
I
sure.
think we can't.
Can you push?
Hang on,
No.
I'll see if I can.
Let me get up.
Yeah, drowning. 100%.
Yeah. Let me check out.
Hang on, let me try.
Yeah, drive it out, or should I put it back the icon?
No, I'm gonna see if I can push it out.
Okay.
If it lets me push it. I can't drown, so don't worry. Oh no, it's locked. Give me the key.
Oh, yeah, I dropped it. I don't know which key, but yeah, one is the big.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
It went down. That's it.
I think it went under the car.
Yeah, it went under the car. I think I got it. I got one of the keys.
Yeah, I see it. It's right underneath the car.
Got it. I got it. I'm drowning. Okay, I'm dropping it here. Okay.
Okay,
Do you want the parts in
I've
there?
got it. Yeah, just let me see if I can push it out first. It
Oh,
might
nice locked.
let me push it if I got the key. Oh no, it'll just let me open it. Oh, it's got no parts in it. You took the parts out, did you?
Yeah, should I drop it to you?
No, it's okay. That wouldn't stop me pushing it if it didn't have parts, but it won't. I can't get
No,
low
there's
enough
two
to
parts.
push it.
Oh, no.
Oh, well, that's a shame. I'll go and see if that other car's still there.